Well, there may be more legal troubles coming out of the Gary Rolls investigation. He's the Kent County Commissioner accused of molesting a woman several years from the time she was 9 years old.
Questions of evidence tampering have now come up, and 24-Hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey's here with the developments in this case. Joe.
Brian, the investigation of those accusations has been complicated. Recently unsealed search warrants reviewed by 24-Hour News 8 show some crucial evidence contained in an iPad has disappeared. Detectives believe some of that evidence may be on an iPad taken from Rolls' Cannon Township home last September after a judge authorized a search warrant. Rolls, seen here during a failed attempt to get a judge to dismiss a personal protection order taken out by the alleged victim last fall, is under investigation after the woman claimed he began molesting her when she was as young as 9, continuing through her teenage years. The victim told detectives Rolls had kept photos and other video that may be incriminating in a safe inside his home and on his computer. But when an MSP computer expert began the task of searching the iPad for evidence, something went wrong. Before a password could be entered, the computer automatically began to erase itself, which indicated someone had sent a remote request for this to occur after it was seized by law enforcement, wrote a detective in a search warrant request. Therefore, the information contained on the computer was irretrievable and could not be examined for evidence of a crime. We found it is possible to erase information contained in Apple products remotely. This article posted by Apple explains the process. The feature is designed to protect information if an iPad, iPod, or other Apple product is lost or stolen. In the request for a second search warrant, a detective is asking Apple to retrieve the information from Rolls' iPad, which would be crucial to the prosecution of this case and an additional charge of evidence tampering. We went to Rolls' house to see what he had to say. Either no one was home or no one came to the door. As for a seat on the Kent County Board of Commissioners, after Rolls missed several board meetings last year, Board Chair Dan Korendike told 24-Hour News 8 today Rolls has made all but one meeting in the month of January. Now, because Rolls is a Kent County elected official, Ionia County Prosecutor Ron Schaefer will decide whether to prosecute the case or not. He says no decision has been made yet because the investigation continues.